Kw'Erikia nabo igokoba ababwatani ase Ekiama ya People's Forum for Rebuilding Democracy ayo nigo ayenikigwa maiga y'Abasae nabo igababwatani b'Ekiama EKIO Kw'Erikia ase Ekiama EKIO
Igo bono ekiombe ekio getenderete byama imense asomucho Nairobi ase bono batebire ikyo Ekiama uika kegochia korenta AMAOCHORERIA busekerengete gochi korenta AMAOCHORERIA ABARAI imense nanigo kirase chi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibiro muri kitoline tinyambane no warenga sayo robot ro ya senchero bikirana.
We want to urge every youth in here today, every youth who is watching here, who is watching this interview today, to come on board, to feel free to join this party. This party, no one is going to ask you for money. Hakuna mtu mwenye anaenda kukuambia ekelea kitu, so that you can be part of and parcel of this party. ABARAI
na ababwatani b'Ekiama kya People's Forum for Rebuilding Democracy barikirie Ekiama EKIO ase ekiombe getenenerete ebyama bya gesiasa imeyense gukwana kurwa ensemo ya Westlands isko ya magacho amanene yechiabisi cha ekiombe EKIO ABARAI kurwa Pfrd nigo batebire Ekiama EKIO na kikego cha koirania demokrasi yense wetera OBORAI oboya bwa Abasae.
And as the name suggests, what we are doing, we are rebuilding the democracy of Kenya. And this democracy we are rebuilding with the youths, because the youths, we have been told that our time is tomorrow, but I'm realizing that our time is today. So this party is a vehicle for the youth all over the country, and also to support our development agenda, to ensure that we have a country that believes in the rule of law, a country that believes in its youth, and a country that believes in its young generation.
We are so happy that ORPP has given us the full certification. We started this journey long time ago, that was 3 years ago, and today we can say that the party is here. Now, Pfrd is youth-oriented, and what we are going to do moving forward, we want to make sure that we are rebuilding democracy. We want democracy to work for the people. We want democracy that is going to champion for the right of the youth of this country. Now today, we want to urge all the members, all the aspirants, all those leaders who seek to represent us in office, that this is the party to be and change.
Nigobono baruro Koborigwa gochia asa Abasae Kw'Erikia asobonge ase Ekiama EKIO asebo igo batebire Ekiama EKIO tikebwati gwanchereria konde gwensi na nigo batebire nigo kegochia gotenia abarwaneri ase bya gesiasa.
Ningependa kuwasihi vijana wenzangu, hiki ndio chama sahihi vijana kuendeleza malengo yako ya uongozi. Hiki ni chama ambacho chajumlisha kila kijana, uwe una pesa uwe hauna, utasapotiwa to the end. Bora tu uwe uko na malengo ya kuongoza. Kama tunataka kuwekwa kwa decision making, huu ndo wakati wetu sisi tuwe on the table, tusikue kwa sideline tena.
We are happy to receive our full registration certificate that allow us to fill all candidates from MCA, Member of County Assembly, to the President, the top seat. I want to take this opportunity to our sponsors, directors, who has been giving us overwhelming support to achieve this goal. Allow me also to welcome all the 3 founding members, plus the officials, not forgetting our patron.
Chinga kiechecho nigo boigo batebire tayari Ekiama EKIO keigwire chiabisi ase chi county chonsi imeyense.
Pfrd has offices in all the 47 counties, and each county and each office is ready to serve every individual who goes there, so that we can be able to reach every person on the ground and ensure that we build our party to the national level, to the international level, and also to ensure that we are promoting decision making in our country and across boards.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.